Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install and download AutoCAD. AutoCAD, everyone, I think you know, it's a CAD software used for modeling 2D and 3D drawings. It is learned after engineering drawing in the first and second semester, so it uses your full ability of the drawing capability. Okay, we have to first go any browser and open its window. Then we will go to AutoCAD and it will be okay. Yes, then you have to go to the first link. Then to download it, we have to go a little bit down below. For any Windows user, we have to get here. For Mac user, go a little bit below and you will see. AutoCAD is very important for every engineering field like mechanical, civil, architecture, electrical, everything. Then you have to create your account. I'm from Nepal, so here you are a student, then it will be young. I will be old. It will be around student age. Okay. So now create your name, create your last name, create your email ID, put in your passport, agree and create account. You can see here my account is already created, so I can create. So after creating your account, you will get a link in your email. Learn about AutoCAD interface in next video. Thank you everyone.